completed my graduation in the year 2020 from the stream of civil engineering. I have joined in the JSpiders Punjagutta. Being a civil background student, it is very difficult. Before joining here, it is very difficult for me to do the coding. After joining here, I have learned here from the scratch, and now I can solve the programs, and the classes here help me a lot, and I can answer the interviewers questions also in a good way. I am very thankful to the faculty here and the HRs here. Thank you.